Now you can see when we assembled this that we did put this together in a basic pattern that does include the center brace for ourselves and also the end pieces. You're going to want to lay it out with the two long boards on the outer side. Be sure it's up against something firm because you're going to be putting some pressure on that. And then the shorter pieces that we did cut are going to be our end pieces and our center piece. Now when you're using these drywall screws, which I recommend, you'll find that they're pretty sharp. So don't cut yourself with them when you're pulling them out of the box or anything. And I recommend you use a good 3-inch screw to put together 2x4s. Now a little trick whenever you are using these drywall screws, to make them even faster, just put a little bit of liquid soap on the end of it. Now if you just put a little bit of liquid soap to get it started. And you know, usually it's better to start at the bottom to get started. Find yourself a spot and then pop one in there. So don't worry too much about whether or not it's going into the other piece, because really at the beginning you're just going into the first piece of wood. Okay, now that that's gone ahead and bit in where it needs to, we got one screw into the corner. Now we want to go ahead and match that by putting another screw just above it. You can see it's going straight. Now I got it ready. Okay, now that we've got that done, let's go ahead and head on down to the other end. You want to get the ends first, then we'll do the middle. Now that you have that in about halfway, go ahead and bite it into the wood. Alright, now that should bite it all in there nice and square the way you want it. Now go ahead and swing around and we'll get the middle one as well. Now again, this is my right, so I prefer to use my right, so that's what I'm going to go with. Alright, now we're a little bit warped here, but we're going to go ahead and straighten that out too. Sometimes this thing will sit a little low, so make sure it's nice and square. Just check it out. That one looks good, so I'm going to go ahead and pop the screw in and pop it in there. Okay, good. Alright, so now that we got that done, we're ready to go ahead and flip our unit. So just go ahead and grab it and pull it straight up. Be very careful. Once you get it standing up straight, you want to just go ahead and flip that over and lay it on down. Then you're going to grab your backboard, pull that back around to the front, pull that up where you want it. You notice we sunk that one in a little deeper because we're actually pulling the wood into place. Just do the best you can with it, and you're going to build yourself a nice, solid, even frame.